Popular business ideas do not always yield the highest profit. That's why many food delivery apps have created a separate business unit to deliver vegetables, cooking oil, and other ingredients. So today we are going to show you 7 boring businesses with long-term demand and that are quietly growing in India. Yes, friends, while most people chase after the same highly competitive ventures like cafes, clothing brands, dropshipping stores, and food franchises, massive opportunities lie hidden in sectors that rarely get discussed. These are not fancy startup ideas. They won't make you famous on Instagram. But these solve real problems, face much less competition, and in many cases often receive less attention despite serving large markets. The best part is that you don't have to invent anything new for most of these. Simply fulfilling an existing need or bridging a market gap is enough. So let's get started.
Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas.
Let's start with number 7, Borewell drilling business. Whenever farmers, factories, schools, hospitals, or new residential projects need water, the first person to approach is a borewell company. So you can start a business using specialized drilling rigs and provide services to them, and the fee for a project can range from a few thousand to several lakhs of rupees, depending on the location. Although the initial investment is high due to the cost of the machinery, once purchased, every new project offers the potential to generate substantial revenue. As borewells are a major source of water in many rural and urban areas of India, demand for this service remains important in many regions. Competition levels vary significantly by region, and groundwater regulations, environmental restrictions, and local permitting requirements may affect operations. The 6th business opportunity we are looking at is the manufacturing of garment tags and labels. When buying clothes, you have likely noticed small labels containing details such as size, brand logos, and washing instructions. They may seem ordinary, but they represent a market worth billions of rupees. India is one of the world's leading countries in the production of textiles and ready-made garments. Each garment requires different types of labels. So you can start a modest-scale manufacturing setup with a few printing machines and the raw materials for it. If you start working with a clothing factory or brand, you have a higher chance of consistently receiving a large volume of orders. As India's textile industry expands, the demand for labels and tags will continue to rise. Moving on to number 5. In this business, you can purchase a machine, install it at locations such as offices, colleges, hospitals, or factories, and stock it with snacks, tea, coffee, or soft drinks. Customers can make direct payments via UPI or card to purchase items, and the machine operates around the clock without the need for staff. A well-placed machine may generate recurring revenue if foot traffic and product demand are strong. Although the cost of a new machine can be high depending on its capacity and size, many companies now offer a revenue-sharing model. Once one machine starts generating income, you can add a second and a third machine and gradually build a strong business network. Compared to many foreign countries, the number of vending machines in India is very limited. Therefore, there are significant growth opportunities in this sector in the coming years. And number 4, let us look at the industrial waste collection business. Factories generate significant quantities of metal scraps, plastic waste, cardboard boxes, and other industrial waste daily. Managing this waste often becomes an additional burden for them. Therefore, you can make a good profit by buying or collecting this waste and selling it to recycling centers. Although this may seem like a simple task, it will only generate significant income for you if you trade waste on a large scale. Many successful waste traders earn lakhs of rupees monthly by establishing strong relationships with factories. Trust and a reliable collection network are the most crucial aspects of this business. When your supply chain is strong, it becomes difficult for new competitors to capture your customers. At number 3, we have supplying raw materials to restaurants. The restaurant industry is expanding rapidly due to India's growing population. Due to this, many restaurants require daily supplies of cooking oil, spices, sauces, packaging materials, and various other items. Since most restaurant owners have to source supplies from multiple vendors, they frequently encounter issues such as delivery delays or inconsistent quality. So you can solve this problem and build a successful business by continuously delivering to multiple restaurants in a particular area. If you have a considerable amount of capital, you can buy and distribute the goods yourself. If your investment capacity is limited, you can start by acting as a broker. But in this business, payment delays from customers can create working capital challenges. Number 2. Cold storage business. India is a global leader in the production of fruits, vegetables, dairy products and agricultural produce. However, millions of tons of produce go to waste annually due to the lack of proper storage facilities. As a result, the cold storage industry has become essential for farmers, traders, food processors and exporters. So you can set up a cold storage facility in your area. And in this business, you can charge storage fees based on tons or pallets from farmers and traders. Although the initial investment is high, once the infrastructure is established, revenue can become more predictable when facility utilization remains high. With the rapid growth of formal retail, online grocery sales, and the food processing sector, the demand for cold chain infrastructure in India is steadily increasing. But electricity costs, refrigeration maintenance, and occupancy rates can significantly affect profitability. Number 1. Cardboard box business. The final business opportunity we will look at is the cardboard box industry. Today, every package delivered to your home via e-commerce arrives in a cardboard box. A massive industry operates behind this simple product. Long-term demand for cardboard packaging has benefited from e-commerce growth. So you can start a specialized carton manufacturing business, and you may need medium or high investment to start the business. Or you can also enter the business as a distributor. You can get boxes from factories and sell them to local shoppers and online sellers. Many people ignore this industry because it doesn't seem very attractive. However, that is precisely its greatest strength. But remember, raw material costs and price competition can reduce margins. Friends, none of these businesses are currently trending or likely to go viral on social media, nor are they likely to make you a social media celebrity. Business profitability depends on factors such as market demand, competition, operating costs, customer acquisition, management capability, and local economic conditions. Also, friends, this video is for educational purposes only, so choose a business, learn about it in depth, start small, and expand it gradually. So if you want more information about these businesses, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.